Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed adult learners. Today, I stand before you not just as an instructor, but as a fellow traveler on the journey of education. Each of you has taken a courageous step by embarking on the path to earn your GED, and I want to take a moment to acknowledge the strength and determination that lies within each of you.
The road to achieving your GED may seem daunting at times, filled with challenges and obstacles that may test your resolve. But remember this. Every step you take brings you closer to a brighter future, one filled with endless possibilities and opportunities. You are not defined by your past or your circumstances. You have the power to shape your destiny, to rewrite your story, and to create a life that you envision for yourself. With hard work, perseverance, and dedication, you can overcome any barrier that stands in your way.
Think of your GED not just as a piece of paper, but as a symbol of your resilience, your tenacity, and your unwavering commitment to self-improvement. It is a testament to your strength and your courage in the face of adversity.
So, I urge you, my fellow learners, to stay focused on your goals, to push through the moments of doubt and uncertainty, and to keep striving for excellence. Remember that every challenge you overcome, every lesson you learn, brings you one step closer to achieving your dreams.
Together, let us embrace the journey ahead with open hearts and open minds. Let us support and uplift one another, knowing that we are not alone in this endeavor. Believe in yourselves, for you are capable of achieving greatness beyond measure. And remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. So, let us rise to the occasion, let us seize the opportunity before us, and let us embark on this journey together, knowing that the best is yet to come.